quick CNC tip for you. Setting zero is real easy if you've got a zero setting tool, but the trick of the trade sometimes is just to simply use a sheet of paper, which is fine. Sometimes though, if you go too far, it catches too much, and maybe one tick up, it's not catching enough. Well, a quick way around that is leave it high like that, get yourself a set of feeler gauges, and you can simply at that point come in here, figure out exactly how far up above the workpiece your part is. At that point, you can come into your control panel and manually set how high. So we'll come to the Z and we will set this at 10 thousandths. Click set, OK, and now your part is set exactly. For most applications, the sheet of paper works great, but sometimes you do need that very, very specific measurement down to the work surface. This will get you there. All right, quick CNC tip of the day. This is Chris. Have a great day.